Last week, the US stock market unexpectedly rose, catching off guard market participants. According to many indicators, the equity market was not supposed to move up, yet some fundamental factors changed the situation completely. Many analysts have already started making predictions about new record highs. Will their predictions come true? Let's find out. Contrary to many forecasts, the Dow Jones rose to 35,400 points last week. The gain was almost 1,000 points more than last Tuesday. The main reason for such a staggering increase was positive earnings reports for the third quarter. So far, 80% of companies have posted better than expected results, attracting bulls back to the market. Perhaps this week the Dow Jones may approach 35,700, provided that the results of the quarterly reports will remain upbeat. The S&P500 index showed a similar dynamic, climbing by more than 150 points. Now it's trading at the level of 4,500, aiming at a new high. The main catalyst for its growth was the strong U.S. retail sales report released on Friday. In September, the indicator increased by 0.7% on a monthly basis, while economists had expected a decline of 0.2%. This report dispelled fears about the weakening consumer activity. Therefore, the S&P 500 index may try to break through the level of 4,570. NASDAQ index also showed strong performance. It managed to grow to 15,400. However, it's unlikely to climb significantly in the near future. Indeed, the growth of the U.S. stock market slowed down yesterday compared to last week due to negative data from China. In the third quarter, China's GDP expanded by only 0.2% in quarterly terms versus the forecast reading of 0.5%. Investors are more cautious now, but it will hardly stop NASDAQ from approaching 15,500 or higher this week. And now let's move on to an overview of some company stocks. Now is the best time to track the performance of different companies as they are posting their quarterly results. Netflix, Johnson & Johnson, United Airlines and Procter & Gamble are going to unveil their earnings reports quite soon. It's also recommended to pay attention to shares of Tesla, Verizon and IBM. Analysts believe that these companies are likely to reveal impressive earnings results, which will inevitably boost their share price. Among the largest U.S. companies, Facebook and Tesla were the biggest weekly gainers. Their shares added 3.2%. Shares of the Walt Disney Company and Comcast Corporation incurred the biggest losses, declining by 3% and 1.4% respectively. To sum up, the U.S. stock market resumed an upward movement last week amid positive third-quarter earnings reports. Analysts are certain that stocks will continue to rise for some time. Don't miss our video reviews and stay up to date with the latest market news. See you back soon.